In this video, I will show you how to count cells that contain negative numbers in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here, in this Excel sheet, I have some cells containing numbers. Some of the numbers are negative while others are positive numbers. I want to count cells that contain negative numbers only. We cannot use the count function to count the cells because it returns the count of both positive and negative numbers like this. In this case, I am going to use the COUNTIF function to count only negative numbers. The COUNTIF function counts the number of cells that meet the given criteria. We need to specify the range of the cells as the first argument and match criteria as the second argument. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type COUNTIF and then an opening bracket. Select the range of the cells as the first argument. Enter a comma to enter the second argument, that is the criteria. Since we want to count cells that contain negative numbers only, I am going to specify less than 0 in the double quotes. Now type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the count of cells containing negative numbers only. If you want to include the cells containing 0 in the count, edit the criteria argument and make it less than or equal to 0 like this. We can also use the sum product function to count cells containing negative numbers only. Use this formula to do the same. The B3 to B7 less than 0 part returns an array of 5 elements containing true and false values. True value is returned for each cell that is less than 0 and false for the other cells. To convert true and false to 1 and 0 values, we applied the double negative minus minus. The result is the array of 1, 1, 0, 1 and 0 inside the sum product function, and the result of that is the sum of all array elements, which is 3. Watch this video to learn how to count cells that contain positive numbers in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.